Hi guys, it's Sterling Spectre here. Today we're just going to be looking at this crypto article for the crypto news. Basically, it's about Bitcoin mining equipment older than 2019 reaches its shutdown price. So let's get into this article. With the recent price fall of Bitcoin, some mining rigs produced in 2019 are working in the red as the amount they mine does not compensate for the energy they spend. Now, I did just make a video about the Ethereum profitability today, and I just came across this article for Bitcoin miners and ASICs in general. So it says here, as Bitcoin fell low as $22,600, some mining equipment manufactured in 2019 is no longer profitable, while the rest is barely producing positive returns. The Bitcoin mining company BitDeer posted a chart on Twitter showing the price limits for each piece of equipment to remain profitable. As you can see here, we have that screenshot of their Twitter where they're just showing like the shutdown prices for different miners. We can have the Antminer S19 Pro, S17 and stuff like that. It then goes on to say, based on the chart, the Antminer S17 Plus and 6.7, which was manufactured in 2019, is no longer profitable as of noon UTC today when Bitcoin fell below $25,000 a coin. At press time, Bitcoin is trading at 23,000. I don't know if it's trading at that still. We'll have a look at that in a minute. However, it did fall below 22,000 earlier today, which temporarily made the S19 Plus very unprofitable. Antminer S19 and WhatsMiner M30S Plus were produced in 2020, while the Antminer S19J was developed in 2021. These machines can handle an additional 15% loss in Bitcoin prices before they deemed unprofitable. The remaining machines, which also were produced after 2020, can remain profitable for up to 30% of a price loss in Bitcoin. Now, we will go over which ones are profitable. We'll go over to asicminers.com and we'll just see which ones are actually in the green. But let's just finish off this article first. So, did miners see it coming? Bitcoin miners have been selling their earnings immediately since the beginning of the bear market. Crypto YouTuber Lark Davis drew attention to the sell-off in his tweet. Here's just the tweet to see all the sell-offs. Yeah, biggest sell-off in 2 years. It's expected when crypto mining, when it takes a dive, you want to sell off all your coins because you don't want to keep going into the negatives because your coins will be worth less. Since miners usually hold their earnings until the next bull market to sell for a higher price, their tendency to sell immediately indicated they expected Bitcoin price to fall even more. So as I said, we will sell them if we think that the price is just going to keep going down. Otherwise, crypto mining is about keeping your bags of crypto until they improve on price, and then you get more money for what you actually mined. Countries that rely heavily on renewable resources become miners' first choice because of the affordable electricity prices. Norway is one of those countries. According to the numbers from April 2022, Norway compensates 88% of its total energy from hydroelectric power plants. As a result, the country has had a historically cheap price of energy between 3 cents and 5 cents. This would make the mining equipment in Norway more prone to Bitcoin price falls. So yeah, Norway has always had notoriously good energy prices. Even in the US, you only get 10 cents for your average electricity rate. But obviously in Norway, it's pretty good as 3 cents to 5 cents. That's commercial electricity bill type. But yeah, across Europe, the prices have actually soared when compared to Norway. So we are actually shutting down basically all our mining rigs in Europe because it's not profitable anymore. Now let's head over to the ASIC Miner website and we'll just see which basically Antmain or Bitminer ASICs are actually in the green right now. So if we can see here, anything basically above the S19J is basically profitable, and anything below that is just unprofitable. So theoretically, we only have 5 ASIC miners produced by Bitmain that are still profitable, and the biggest one only producing a $4 profit. So this is not looking good for us Bitcoin miners and our ASIC mining. Even some of these ASICs produced in 2021 aren't profitable anymore. This makes it very hard to get into ASIC mining right now, and I wouldn't really recommend anybody getting into GPU mining or ASIC mining just because of these high prices for electricity and the steady decline of the profits. So if you guys have any thoughts about what is going on in the mining space right now and this Bitcoin mining ASICs being unprofitable, please leave the comments below, like the video and subscribe for more content like this.